This isn't just baking. It's confidence, built one layer at a time. It starts with a simple idea, a flavor, a shape, a color. But behind it all is a quiet strength. A decision to learn, to try again, to stay up late and practice. That one design, one more time. This is more than cake. It's a journey. A journey of becoming better, more precise, more fearless. Every layer, every touch of frosting becomes proof of what's possible when talent meets effort. The world may see a beautiful cake, but what's really being created is confidence. Carefully crafted, sweetly earned, and proudly shared.
If this cake inspired you, give it a like and hit subscribe for more baking beauty. Share the sweetness with someone who loves cakes too.